We're about to go get the horse. What? What happened? El caballo?
Yeah.
So Chunky's pretty heavy, but we gonna suck it up. So we're gonna go get the horse. I'm so excited. This is my kid's first time riding horses. So this is gonna be, I'm literally swimming in shit right now. This is gonna be their first time. Wow, Amias! Hi, Amias. You ready? Baby? You ready? No. Say, Toro! Beautiful day today. Oh my god, you're so funny. My dad is so funny.
Mama?
Come on. So we're back with the horse. Thank God I recorded it. My dad hopped on like nothing. I got it on my phone. Oh, he's heavy. So we're here with Princess and Amias. Come on, baby. One, two, three. Hi! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! What are these tears, Chunk? Say peekaboo! Oh, look at the chickens. Mios is riding the horse. They're a little far. I was gonna take Amiel on my chest, but I figured it would just be easier if I brought him on my arm. So I can't believe he really got on. Every time I've tried to take him somewhere with like ponies, he's always scared. Hi!
Amiel. Amiel.
Yes, sweetie cheese. Ya. Ya, Amiel.
Asustado.
Pues sí, nunca había.
Es primera vez que monta.
Sí,
A
los
mí
dos.
así no.
No, la primera vez los dos.
Sí, a mí no me montaba en Costa Rica.
No. So this is probably hands down, the highlight of my trip. Hi, Amias! Yeah? ¿Verdad?
Yeah.
Amiel fell asleep. Amiel se quedó dormido. Miel. Miel. Oh my god. Oh my god. He fell asleep riding the horse. He's asleep. ¿Está dormido?
Ahí va dormido.
What? You guys, Amiel fell asleep riding the horse. Let me show you guys. So we just got to the house.
Ese es el pago.
He's knocked out.
Goto. Sí, mi amor, ya nos vamos. Se durmió.